Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Thorold local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to relocate, you need to hire a cheap Thorold moving company. 3 Movers offers the right team for your local or long-distance move. Our team of movers can help you move onto a college campus as a student, to a new neighborhood, across the country, or even into a new business location. We provide plenty of long-distance moving services to make it simple for you, including all of the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. With our help, you can make a relocation so much easier. Our team of movers can help you move 100 miles away or further. If you're ready to move, we can make it happen faster and easier for you. A Canada moving company can make your local move simple. There are plenty of options to ensure you get to where you need to go faster and easier. Without movers, you will have to handle it all yourself. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to make your local move easier. We provide plenty of options to give you the fast and easy move you need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thorold moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.